Hey, what's going on? It's Jonnie Grooms, and today I'm going to bring you a little unboxing. I mysteriously got this package in the mail. Today I'm going to be unboxing Mr. Pompadour. I didn't order it, it just came in the mail, so I'm a little surprised. And let's see what came in the box. Okay, packing slip, no note on here, so okay, let's take a look. See, that folds out like that, and that's a very nice packaging right here. Check that out. It opens up, and it looks like I got a butter, a sample pack, and an oil. Very nice packaging on the oil. Got the bubble wrap pouch. And the scent I got is the Manhattan. Very nice, classy square bottle. Here's something different. The lettering is printed on the bottle itself. There's no sticker here. It is on the bottle itself, as well as the ingredients. So again, this bottle has no sticker on it. Got the pump top. Here's the butter with the jar. Very nice glass jar with the logo on top of the lid. Three sample oils in the pouch, in the bubble wrap pouch as well. So I got the Havana beard oil sampler, the Amalfi beard oil sample, a sample of the Manhattan beard oil, the same as the full bottle, but so I have a lot of Manhattan beard oil. So I'm very, very grateful for this gift of Mr. Pompadour, and I did not know I was going to receive. I can't wait to try this out and do a full review on Mr. Pompadour now. So stay tuned for that. Let me give first impression real quick on the Manhattan. It's a pretty thick oil there. That is a very, very nice scent. I am going to enjoy this. I know my wife is definitely going to enjoy this. She's going to like the way this smells. Wow, this is like a, all right, this is definitely like a hit in the town kind of oil. Going out on a date. Smelling fresh, smelling clean. I like it. I like it a lot. I want to say cologne, but I'm leaning towards more masculine than anything. I'm going to have to look it up and see what the scent profile is, because I just don't know. But yeah, that was my real quick unboxing of Mr. Pompadour and the Manhattan scent with the oil and the butter. I can't wait to try it. Full review coming soon. That'll be it for now. Remember to take care of yourself and each other. If you like the content of the video, like and subscribe. And I'll catch you on the next one. Later.